In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up an XM demo account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to myxm.com and then log into your XM trading account. Now once from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of your account. Now from here, to open up a demo account, you'll simply need to head over to your specific accounts over here. And then from here, you'll need to click on this plus icon over here. Once from here, you'll be able to see the create trading account, where you'll be able to either choose between real or demo or practice mode. Once from here, you'll simply need to click demo and click continue. From here, you can also choose your MetaTrader type, where you can choose between MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. Click continue. You can also choose your account type, where you'll be able to choose from ultra low standard or XM0. Once from here, you'll need to click 0 or continue again. And from here, you can customize your trading account, like your leverage, your base currency, your investment amount, and the account name. Once from here, once you're done, you'll simply need to click continue again. And from here, you can add in an account password. So just add in like so, and then click complete. Once from here, you can see your demo account has been successfully created, and you can switch over to it by clicking here and then click on your specific demo account. Now once from here, you have successfully opened up a demo account inside of XM Trading. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!